Hi everybody. I'm just setting up to do a bloom. Welcome back to my art room. I'm going to do a swipe bloom. So I don't need to blow. You just swipe with some cardboard. So I have this is like an ultramarine blue. I have a green blue. This is Peebo. And I have a blue green. And I have some yellow and I have some Rust-Oleum gold. This Rust-Oleum gold is very light right now because my pouring medium was just a different one that I used and it came out pretty light. But it looks good and it looks nice dry. I tried it dried, shiny. So I'm gonna put some of this down first. There's not much left of this, so I may as well use it all up. You don't have to put it down in circles or... Actually, this has gone thick on me. I can give it a squirt of water. I haven't used some of these paints for a while, so... Okay, I think that's about enough of that. That can be washed out. Now I'm going to put some yellow. This is done too. This light iridescent turquoise. Peebo. I never know how to pronounce that. Gold down and then I'm going to put some blue. You can do it in layers in puddles if you want. Whatever you like. thanks to Shelley Art. I saw her do one on her channel, and it was awesome. All right, now this blue. I think I've got too much color down, but and then you just after you swipe your white over or black or whatever color you want to swipe with, then you just tilt it. I should have watered this one down a bit more. I didn't mark this side. It looks like ultramarine blue, but could be Windsor blue. Maybe it's Windsor blue, I think. All right, I think that's good. So now I have a piece of cardboard here. I have my white cell activator, and I'm going to first take this and I'm going to give it a spread around. Then I'm going to take my cell activator and swipe it. So if you can see this card, I'm going to squirt some down on the card or on a piece of paper or anything. So I'm taking some cards. These are like paint chips. I'm going to take a wide one first. I'm going to put it down. So I have lots on there. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to swipe it. And wipe it off. Look at that. I'm going to do another one. Ooh, wow. I'll do one more. Look at that, isn't that awesome? So I have a shorter one. I'm just going to take a couple of small ones. Oh, there's not really any color there, so that didn't work. So I guess that's all I can do. So I'm just going to tilt it now. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm going to move this out of the way, save it for another one. So now all you do is you tilt it. This is just a tile. I'm going to do a bigger one. I just wanted to practice colors. These colors are gorgeous. this way. Bring it back to this other corner. And there's really not much there to take off, so I think I'm probably pretty good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think my gold kind of disappeared in there. But isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I love it. Oh, got a lot of paint. I probably put a little too much paint on there, but made for good tilting. Maybe I can dip that. There, I'm glad you came by for this one. Come back again to Carole's Art Room. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications twice to all, and comment below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, see you in the next video. Have a great day. Where's my button? There it is. Thank you. Hi everybody. Came to see my dried swipe blooms. I love them. They dried awesome, nice and crisp and clear. I'll go this way. There's a shadow there. Look how nice that looks. I just thought I'd show both of them on the same video. This one I did first, and then I did this one.
What?
Awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.